Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Wednesday, pressured by shares in the energy, household and personal products and materials sectors. On the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications improving 2.7% in the week ended February 23rd from a decline of 6.6% recorded 1 week earlier, while in other news, GDP growing 2.5% in a fourth quarter second estimate. That's in line with expectations. Personal consumption improving 3.8% in a fourth quarter second estimate, while Chicago PMI falling to 61.9 in February. Decliners ahead of advancers, 85% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Salesforce.com revealing fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 35 cents versus 28 cents a year ago on revenue of $2.85 billion. Moving on, Monster Beverage reporting fourth quarter adjusted EPS of 35 cents versus 30 cents last year on net sales of $810 million. The company's CEO added, "Our strategic alignment with Coca-Cola system bottlers continue to progress." Turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down more than 1.5%. The Hang Seng up 0.65%. China's CSI 300 up 0.63%, while South Korea's Kospi down 1.17%. European markets losing ground and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Best Buy fourth quarter EPS seen at $2.04, while Kohl's fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.77, and Gap fourth quarter EPS seen at 59 cents, and also Nordstrom fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.25. Now, turning over to the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have January personal income as well as personal spending and both initial and continuing jobless claims. 10 o'clock in the morning, construction spending for January and ISM manufacturing, ISM employment, and ISM new orders all due. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees the downside prevail, while the Nasdaq, that continues to see the downside prevail as well, while the Dow Jones, that's under pressure and in focus this morning. As long as 25,300 is the resistance, expect a return to 24,865. Short positions below 25,300 are favored, with targets at 24,865 and 24,710 in extension.